Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. My YouTube channel is to promote home cooking as a way of life. For many years, I used woks with non-stick coating. About 10 years ago, when I started to cook regularly, I found myself buying a new wok almost every year. I realized that I need to look for an alternative, so I switched to wok with natural surfaces. In this video, I'm going to make a comparison between wok with non-stick coating and wok with natural surface. I wish I knew what I know now. I would have gone with woks with natural surfaces right from the beginning. That would save me a lot of frustration and exasperation over the years. Followings are my comparison. Number one, non-stick property. Woks with non-stick coating are coated with a chemical to protect them against the food in contact with the bare metal. Woks with natural surfaces such as carbon steel, cast iron, light cast iron, and stainless steel are seasoned to create a similar non-stick property. The chemical principle between the two is actually similar. Instead of using chemicals to create a protective layer, in this case, a natural oil is used to provide the barrier between the food and the bare metal. This protective oil layer is easily removed during cooking and need to be reapplied regularly. Using my spot seasoning method as shown in another video, this process could be easily done in 3 minutes before each cooking session. Chemicals on woks with non-stick coating peel off over time. They could not be replenished, and food will start to burn to the surface of the wok, and the wok become non-functional, and the only thing to do is to replace them. Number two, damage to the surface. The chemical on the surface of the non-stick wok is susceptible to damage of any abrasive action, all the way from a metal spatula or a scrubbing pad. In this case, a metal stirrer of any kind could not be used with a wok that has non-stick coating. A wok with natural surface could not be damaged because it does not have any chemical coatings. I can use metal spatulas or abrasive scrubbing pad without have to worry about damaging the surface of the wok. Using my spot seasoning method, the wok can be rendered non-stick again in just a few minutes. Number three, cleaning. A wok with non-stick coating can only be cleaned with a non-abrasive sponge. Woks with natural surfaces are often advised not to clean with detergent, which could remove the seasonings that build up on the surface of the wok over time. However, using the cleaning method as shown in this video, a wok with natural surfaces could be cleaned and scrubbed without lose its seasoning. The scrubbing physically remove the grime on the surface of the wok without remove the seasoning that are in the crevice of the metal. Number four, safety. Even though the chemicals that are used to create a non-stick coating on the surface of the wok has been thoroughly tested, however, the long-term consequence in consuming this chemical has never been clear. Such concerns are absent when using woks with natural surfaces. In summary, let me recap the four comparisons. Number one, non-stick property. Using my spot seasoning method, it is easy to create non-stick properties in woks with natural surfaces. Number two, damage to the surface. A wok with natural surfaces could not be damaged and has much longer lifetime. Number three, cleaning. Woks with natural surfaces can be thoroughly cleaned without affecting their performance. Number four, safety. A wok with natural surfaces have no known safety issue. For this consideration, I will recommend woks with natural surfaces without any reservation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notifications of my future postings. See you next time. Please stay safe.